And we are back to keep working on the Bowie knife. So the first thing I want to do today is, you see all those 24 grit scratch lines? Well, I want to take this knife back to the grinder on the 80 grit belt and work on knocking those out a bit to get it a bit more polished looking before we move on from there. So, time-lapse time. Okay, so got everything nice and polished and shiny and beautiful now. It's not going to stay like that though. Man, that's almost a mirror finish in the right light. Anyways, now I'm going to be clamping it into the vise. I'm filing in some pretty decorative file work in the back of it, so get to that then. Okay, so now I've gotten those that spine all filed and it's looking great. Now I've gone ahead and cut off a nice little bit of steel, and I've marked out on it where to drill. So now I'm going to start fitting up the guard, or not fitting it yet. I'm going to start making the guard. So let's get down to that. Good enough. Well, alrighty then, that was a great day of work. I got this gorgeous file work struck in on the spine. Looks pretty good. And then I got this slot filed out and radius here at the bottom and a bit at the top, so that way it fits better up against the rounded shoulders. So, got a lot of work done, but now it's starting to get cold out, so I'm gonna call it there for a day. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing to see our future videos and to see how this project turns out. And that's really all for now. Thanks for watching. Until next time.